Hello and welcome. I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on air hose safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. In this lesson, we'll be discussing what you can do to prepare for, how to use and handle the air hose, and what to consider when using compressed air. Compressed air can cause serious injuries, so it is always important to make sure you are using the proper equipment and using it correctly. There are several things you should take care of before you use an air hose or any air pipelines. Make sure you are using the proper hose. A hose should be able to withstand more pressure than you anticipate using. Even a split second of a surge could make the hose break apart and cause injury to the people around the hose. OSHA requires compressed air hoses with a 1-inch or larger inside diameter to be chained or otherwise restrained to make sure the hose doesn't whip if it disconnects. Inspect the hose regularly to make sure that the restraints are secure. Secure the connecting ends of hoses together if there are 2 or more hoses connected to each other. Make sure hoses that are 2 inches or more in diameter are protected from any unnecessary movement. Now, the next few points are critical in understanding how to be prepared. Failing to prepare the proper way can cause damage not only to the equipment, but can cause bodily harm. Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.